Here I have MICROMAX Canvas Selfie 3, and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset by using the MICROMAX settings. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen. Here you need to find and select the settings icon, then scroll down, and from the following list let's choose backup and reset. Alright, so here let's choose factory data reset right here. And this will erase all data from your phone internal storage, including your Google accounts, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. If you are aware of this, let's choose reset phone and confirm the operation by tapping erase everything. That's it, the phone is performing the hard reset operation, so let's be patient and wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so now it means that you can simply start activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.